It's already 10:32, right? Okay, children, how many types of mirrors are there? Two types of mirrors. They are plane mirror and spherical mirror or curved mirror. Plane mirror, it has got flat reflecting surface, and spherical mirror, it has curved or bent reflecting surface. How many type of spherical mirrors are there? Two types. What are they? Concave mirror. Concave mirror, reflection takes place from inner part, right? Convex mirror, reflection takes place from outer part, right? So these things you have to remember. So, what is the definition of concave mirror? If the reflecting surface is curved inward like this, right? Here, curved inward. So that type of mirror is, and the outside is silvered. Outside is silvered here. It is coated, painted. One side reflecting part, next side it is painted. Such type of mirror is called, what do you call it? Concave mirror. And what is the other name of concave mirror? Converging mirror. Concave mirror is also called converging mirror. Why? It converges the light rays falling on it. See, the rays are falling on it and they are reflected and they are meeting at a point. That's why it is called converging mirror. Okay, converging mirror. What is the next mirror? Convex mirror. How do you define convex mirror? If the reflecting surface is curved outside is curved, right? Curved outside. Here you can notice. So, reflection takes place from outer part and inner part is painted. That type of mirror is called convex mirror. What is the other name of convex mirror? Diverging mirror. Diverging mirror. Why? Because it diverges the light rays incident on its reflecting surface. Diverging means, look at here. Rays are falling here, going this side. Again, rays falling here, going this side. And the ray falls on it, goes like this. Are they planning to meet or they are planning to go away? They are planning to go away. They are going away, not only planning, they are going away. So, such type of mirror is called. So, four things we have discussed. Number one, definition of concave mirror, definition of convex mirror, and why is concave mirror called converging mirror, why is convex mirror called diverging mirror. Now, from today onwards, you will be practicing in question answer pattern. Understood or not? Question, answer. Question, answer. In that way, you have to do. Now, bring some sort of changes in your study pattern. Then you can do better. What can you see here in this figure? What is this? Spoon. So, inner part is like concave mirror. Outer part is like convex mirror. You can see your face, how it looks like. Okay? Convection. Now, here is next heading. What is the next thing? Differences between concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay, girls, you have to read the point of but less number of girls are read. 1 to 10, they will read. 1 to 12, they will read concave, and 13 to 24, they will read convex. Then they will be equal. Yes or no? Number of girls are very less. How many? 5 girls are there? 500 girls. Out of 24, 5 girls and 19 boys. Sit correctly, Bob. Okay. First point of concave mirror. That means reflection takes place from inner side, right? And outer side is polished. Convex. Some of the students whose roll number falls 13 to 24, they are silent. Why? Their roll number is not that one. Some students' roll number is 1 to 12, right? They read concave. Some 13 to 24. But some of the students are here who do not speak in both. Means their roll number is more than that or what? I am confused. How many students are here? 24. When ALE comes, 25. Yes or no? ALE has become viral now. By game also they become like that. But everyone does not get such type of chance by luck, by effort also. But don't say chance by luck, chance by effort. When you pay your effort, then you will get the chance. Staying at home, oh, I have got luck, I will be fast, then can you win this Nirajan? Never, ever, forever. Nirajan will be always first. Not only warranty, guarantee also. Give a big round of applause to him. But if you try, then you can win him in study, not in fighting. Otherwise, Ritik will come. Sir, I have got a big muscles. Let me show him. Not like this. In study, Ritik. Remember. But Ritik is a good guy also. Last time, two Paul Mans were fighting inside the class. And in between, whose presence was there? Ritik and Ritik said, ah, boys. Both sides. He acted like great Khali. Right? Okay, point number 2. Point number 2, what is here? Enlarged, diminished or equal size object. I mean, so suppose this is object. What is this? Object. Object is presented like this. Hello, Master kissing.
Yes, sir.
Point out here. Miss, will you go that side and sit this side? Otherwise, you will see on your head, then you will be confused. He is already confused. He will not pay attention. He has got ability, but that ability has overlapped by his lazibles. So, Master, you sit in that side, so that you can have lovely eyesight in this smart board. So, object, the image may be smaller, image may be longer, or image may be equal to the object in that way. Okay, convex. Convex mirror, what does it do? It always forms diminished image. Diminished means bigger than object or smaller than object? Sorry? Smaller than object. Image is always smaller than object. Here, image may be bigger, smaller or equal, right? Point number 3.
It forms a real and inverted image of an object except when an object is placed between an.
Okay, now you check the condition here. What type of position is this? Erect, upright we can say, or erect position, right? Object is always erect, but image is inverted. What are images formed? Inverted. In most of the cases, inverted image is formed, but in one case, what type of image is formed? Erect. And inverted image is real. Inverted image is real, and such erect image is virtual. Real, it can be found on the screen. Virtual, it cannot be found on the screen. In that way, we have to remember. And what about convex smile? What are images formed? Always forms an erect and virtual image. So, erect, such type of image. Object also like this, image also like this. Pay attention and understand it. Sitting here and mind is roaming in PUBG. And biana khayeko sabji. You lalaj. They are discussing. I have asked them to be here by 8 o'clock, and they made here this guffing akhada. It is guffing akhada. This is the place to read. If I notice you just making noise here, then outside. Bring one mat also. You will be sitting in that ground and reading. Okay? Point number 4.
It is used for
Makeup and in many optical instruments. Optical instrument means those instruments where there is use of light. Where there is use of light. There is microscope, right? To reflect that light from down, they use concave mirror. Okay. Now, where is it used? It is used in vehicles as side mirror. That my motorbike's glasses actually That is concave or convex? Convex. Right? In this way, you have to remember. Let's read together. Point number 1.
The inner surface of this mirror reflects the universe.
Together, everybody. Number 1.
The outer surface of this mirror reflects the
Point number 2. Point number 2. Point number 3. 3. 4. 4. Very good. In that way, we have to remember also, right? What I said you, from today onwards, you are going to do the work in question answer format. Understood or not? First question, answer. I will give the questions. There may be 20 questions, 25 questions, how much is done? And there must be answer. I told you to write note, pangre type on note. Someone is sincere, writes everything. Changing Bomjon like structure? Structure. What he writes, he also doesn't know. Handwriting also very confusing type. Bomjon, where are you? Raise your hand. Yeah. Tenzing. One Tenzing was there. Tenzing Norge Sherpa. First climber of Mount Everest. Yes or no? And here is Tenzing, who doesn't write it nicely handwriting also. I think I have to start from Tenzing. If his handwriting is not improved from today, tomorrow onwards, break time is homework time. I will be in that sunlight, making friendship with darling, son darling, and you will be near to me and you will be doing friendship with handwriting. Handwriting darling. Darling, darling, right? And who is good singer in this class? Oh, sorry? Yeah, Sumit Sunar will sing the song. Darling, aako se aake char karne do. And he is energy also similar. He also doing that. Okay, children, now what are we going to discuss? Some terms associated with spherical mirrors. How many terms are there? What is the first one? Pole of the mirror. Number 2,
center of the curvature.
center of curvature. Number 3, radius of curvature. Number 4, aperture. Number 5, number 6, number 7, focal length. These are the terms which we are going to discuss. Okay, what is the first one? Pole of the mirror. What is the definition of pole of the mirror? Geometrical center of the mirror. Suppose, look at here, children. This structure is, which type of mirror is this? Concave mirror. The geometrical center portion, this is called optical center. So optical center is denoted by letters either capital O or capital P. Here also O or capital P, right? Pole. Point number 2, center of curvature. What is given as center of curvature?
The center of the curvature.
It is believed that there is a sphere, imaginary sphere, and that sphere is cut into some parts, and if it is polished inside, which mirror is from? In this sphere, inner part is polished, means this is convex, because outer part is reflecting, isn't it? Another sphere is here. Got this. Now outer part is polished, then concave, right? And this sphere has one center. This sphere has its center. What is that center called? Center of curvature. And what do we use to notice or denote? C. Center of curvature. So the imaginary sphere, center of the imaginary sphere of which the mirror forms a part, that is called center of curvature, and it is denoted by the letter C. In case of concave mirror, it is in front. Convex mirror, it is behind. What is given here? Check this. The center of curvature of convex mirror is in front of the reflecting surface, while the center of curvature of convex mirror is behind the reflecting surface. And how do you denote it? Denoted by C. A pole, how do you denote it? Either P or O. P or O. Point number 3, what is here?
Radius of curvature.
Radius of curvature. Okay. This is geometrical center O. This is centers. Okay, C. C, O. Now, the distance between CO is called radius of curvature. What do you call it?
Radius of curvature.
What is the definition?
The
Radius.
sphere of which of mirror function that is called radius of curvature.
This is the sphere, and the sphere's radius is called radius of curvature. Read once again what is given.
The
The
radius
distance of the sphere of which of mirror function that is
the
called radius of curvature in other words.
And how do we denote it?
R.
Radius. In a sphere, in a circle, this distance is called radius. Yes or no? Here also radius of curvature. Point number 4. What is here?
aperture.
Aperture. Aperture. How do you define aperture?
The surface of a mirror from which a reflection takes place is called aperture.
Yeah. So look at here. If this is mirror, what is this?
Mirror.
This is mirror. A reflection takes place from here to here. Yes or no? So this whole region is called aperture. So the surface or part of the mirror from which the reflection takes place, that is called aperture. From here to here. Point number 5.
Principal axis.
How do you define principal axis?
There is a very straight line passing through the pole and the center of curvature C is called axis.
Okay. Imaginary straight line passing through the pole and center of curvature. So this line is called, this distance is called radius, or line passes, imaginary line passes, that line is called.
Principal axis.
So suppose, what is this? Oh, optical center or pole of the mirror, and what is this? Center of curvature. This distance is called
Radius.
radius of curvature. The line is called
Principal axis.
principal axis. What is the line called? Distance is called radius of curvature. What is the number 6?
Focus.
Focus. So, what is the definition of focus? What is? Please read together. What is here? Now, okay. Now, I'll show you here. Children, the parallel rays are striking on this surface, right? And here they are returning back. Here they are diverging. So, are they meeting in one point or not? They are appear to meet at one point or not? So, this point is called, what is the point called? Focus. So, focus is the point where reflected rays meet or appear to meet. How do you define? Focus is the point where reflected rays meet or appear to meet in a mirror. Here they are meeting exactly. But are they meeting here? But when we produce this, they meet at one point, and that point is called, what do you call it? Focus. Either focus or principal focus also. Okay? Focus or principal focus. Now, what is the name of this point? Optical center or pole of the mirror, and this is focus. What is the distance between this F and O curve?
Radius.
That is not called radius of curvature, that is called focal length. What do you call it?
Focal length.
So, what is the definition of focal length?
The distance between focus F and
Focus F and a pole of a mirror is called focal length. How do you denote it? Small f. Capital F,
Focal.
focus. Small f, focal length. Is it okay?
Yes.
So, what did you discuss today? Convex mirror, concave mirror. Then differences between convex mirror and concave mirror in some terms. Yes or no? Right? Okay, now questions. First write down questions. Take out your rough copy. question answer pattern. I will tell you, you write down as fast as possible. Okay. Question number 1. Define concave. Either rough copy or fair copy. Write in a rough copy, everybody. This question must be written in rough copy, and later on you can read in a fair copy. Okay. Question number 1. Define concave mirror. Why is it called converging mirror? Define concave mirror. Why is it called converging mirror? Point number 2. Define convex mirror. Why is it called diverging mirror? Define convex mirror. Why is it called diverging mirror? Question number 3. Differentiate between. Differentiate. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T-I-A-T. Differentiate between concave and convex mirror in 3 points.
Convex means
Differentiate between concave and convex mirror in 3 points. Done? Now the last question is define the following terms. Mean that is 4th question. Define the following terms. Number 1, pole of the mirror. A pole of the mirror. B, center of curvature. C, radius of curvature. D, aperture. Oh, Sangam, what happened to you? You start dreaming now. Now life will be a bit tougher to you. You might have thought that everything will be written by teacher. No, I am not writing. You must listen and write down and express. Aperture. E, principal axis. F, focus. And G, focal length. Hello, Master Foyal, keep your hand down. Whatever resting position is there. Huh? Okay, these are the 5, how many? 5 or 4 questions? 4 questions, right? Okay, start doing now. And write down in your diary correctly. In your diary, you must write page number. What are your questions? Page number is 208 and 208, 9 and 10, and given questions. Write down. In diary also they can maintain. 28, 9 and 10 given questions. Okay, start doing the work now.